So the inside of the Tohatsu 6-horse. Fuel filter. You get the single carb over here. If you notice on the carb, there we go. There's your main jet, and there's a brass plug that's sealed off. That's your enrichment screw. What's unique about this carb is you can still get a high altitude jet for it, and they're I think $15 from online outboards. Of course, it's empty. Another thing I noticed is this is an old school magneto system. It's not using a CDI. You get the flywheel, external magnet in there, and there's nothing to it. You get the coil generator, spark plug, and a kill switch. If you want to add the charging system, you have to replace the flywheel. Is it worth it? You gotta run 4,500 RPM to even get anything out of it. Fuel pump is not water cooled. I don't know if the smaller ones do or not, but if you want to hear it without the cover, yeah, it is considerably noisier without the cover. Tiller handle is a little bit longer. Friction lock, I could care less for. I am gonna build some sort of a bracket that'll allow me to. There's two holes here. If you buy the tiller lock kit, basically you got two pins that come down into a bracket that locks in over here. I'll build something where it can be removed and added pretty easily. Flyers, blah blah blah. So I'll get to test it out here on Wednesday. It's already done the 10-minute break in.